I'm going to use the end of a spoon because you probably won't be able to fit your teaspoon inside of it. So I'm just using...
Hello everyone, welcome back to Toast World Cookies. My name is Paige.
And my name is Lauren.
And today we are going to be making a cream cone. In our version, we are going to be doing two different kinds. We are going to do key lime and a coconut one. First things first, we are going to go ahead and preheat that oven to 180 degrees, which is gas mark 4. You are going to need desiccated coconut, and then you're going to want 300 milliliters of double cream, or how many you are making. You are then going to need some crushed up walnuts, half a bar of your favourite chocolate, key lime marmalade, puff pastry, and you will need 1 egg. For your equipment, you will need your hand mixer or a stand mixer, and you are going to want some cream horn moulds.
These cream horn moulds will be linked in our description, so please feel free to check them out.
For step number 1, we are going to be cutting our pastry ready to go around our cream horn moulds.
We are using shop bought ready rolled puff pastry. You can make your own, but we're saving the time today. No judging.
That's 2 successful cuts.
It's like a bush tucker trial. I'm really nervous.
3.
Doesn't have to be equal. You can take a mic.
She knows because it's gone on a slight angle.
No, it hasn't. Ooh. I've never seen that before. How have I managed that?
Don't think that'll ever happen again.
No, that's a rarity, isn't it? So we have just about 10 equal bits of puff pastry here. We're going to get on to our next step. I'm going to take the tiniest little bit of my egg wash. I'm literally just dipping the end of my basting brush in, and I'm going to go down one side of the puff pastry. So I'm literally just running it down like this, and that's going to help it stick. I'm going to take a little bit of egg wash onto my mould, give it a light brush. That's going to prevent the pastry from sticking, so then when it does come out of the oven we could just slide it off. I am taking my first bit of pastry. We're always going to start from the thinner side, and I'm going to just do this and wrap it this way, or you can manually do it with your hand if you are a bit more precise. You're going to pop this on your baking tray like so.
And when we put them on our baking tray, make sure you leave that space in between. We don't want them sticking together. Now that your cream horns have been wrapped, we are going to pop a little bit of egg wash over the top just to get that nice golden colour. Just lightly, you don't want too much. We are now going to pop these in our preheated oven for 10 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. We're just going to have to sit and wait it out and judge it as it's cooking. Whilst your pastries are in the oven, we are going to whip up our cream.
We've got our hand mixer, we've got our 2 beaters on the end. We're going to whip this at a high speed. We have whipped our cream for roughly a minute until it is thickened in consistency.
And you can do this. It has been roughly 10 minutes for ours because this oven's quite speedy. We are going to take these out. For our next step, we have got our little induction hob and half a pot of water. You need to make sure you use a heat-proof bowl. We're going to pop our chocolate in there.
So our induction hob is currently at 200 degrees, which is roughly 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
Now that our beautiful horned coconuts are out of the oven, we are going to be filling them. So we're going to fill these little babies with a little bit of lime.
And you're just going to pretty much just smooth it out on the sides of the inside of your horn.
Okay. Once you've done that, we're going to take our cream. Make sure you put it in a piping bag. It'll be really difficult to get in using a spoon. And we are going to go in to the bottom.
So I'm just taking the end that we've just piped, face down, give it a little twirl, lift it back up, put it in the chocolate, let it drip just a little bit. And then I'm going to take my desiccated coconut. Ooh, I love a coconut as well.
Oh,
Dipping it in that.
oh, lovely.
And place this back on our baking sheet.
And there we have it, our beautiful cream horns. Right, shall we have a bite? She's going to have the coconut, I'm going to have the walnut.
Which way are we going in? Are we going to start?
I'm going in from the top.
On the best end.
Gotta go from the top. Ching ching. Mmm. Down the hatchet.
Amazing. All right, I will finish this after the video. So I'm trying to keep a nice look. Now that is all for 2 Smart Cookies today. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please give it a thumbs up, a subscribe, and a cheeky little comment down below if you've got any more suggestions. Bye!